Did you know that your dog has a unique set of fingerprints? Well, there are many incredible facts that you probably didn't know. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some amazing things about your furry friend. Dogs can detect emotions by smelling our sweat. We all get nervous or scared sometimes. But did you know that your dog can tell just by smelling your sweat? Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, and they can pick up on subtle changes in our body odor when we're feeling anxious or stressed. This is because our sweat changes composition when we feel different emotions. Dogs can differentiate between the smells of fear, happiness, sadness, and anger simply by sniffing our sweat. They're even able to detect changes in our hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. This makes them much more attuned to our emotional states than most people realize. Dogs can use this ability to comfort us when we're feeling down, or to warn us if they sense danger. It's yet another example of the amazing bond that dogs and humans share. Have you ever wondered what a group of dogs is called? The answer may surprise you. A group of male dogs is called a clutter, while a group of female dogs is known as a dash. And when it comes to mixed groups, they can be referred to as a pack, a very fitting term given their social behavior. But that's not all. There are other fun and interesting names for groups of dogs depending on the context. For example, a group of hunting dogs is called a cast, while a group of sled dogs is known as a team. These terms not only add variety to the way we talk about dogs, but also reflect the different roles they play in our lives. So next time you're hanging out with a bunch of canines, why not try using some of these fun group names? If you've ever wondered why your female dog lifts her leg to pee, the answer might surprise you. Unlike their male counterparts, female dogs don't typically pee while standing. Instead, they prefer to lift their legs up, just like cats, to direct the flow of urine. This behavior is thought to be a holdover from their wild ancestors who evolved from wolves. Wolves are known to mark their territory by lifting their leg and spraying urine, and this behavior has been passed down to domestic dogs. While it might seem odd to us, it's perfectly normal for dogs and is a natural instinct that they can't help but follow. So next time you see your female dog peeing, you'll know exactly why she's doing it. We all love our dogs and the joy they bring into our lives, but did you know that they see us as godlike beings? According to animal behavior expert Dr. Stanley Coren, dogs view us as supernatural creatures with the ability to provide them with food and shelter. They believe that we possess magical powers and are capable of predicting their every move. This perception of us as almost godlike figures is likely due to the fact that dogs are descended from wolves who live in packs with a strict hierarchy. In the wild, the alpha male and female are at the top of the pack and have the power to control the resources and members of the group. When domesticated, this instinct to obey and submit to a higher authority remains. As a result, we find ourselves in the position of being seen as almost godlike beings to our canine companions. While it may be flattering to think that our dogs look up to us so much, it's important to remember that they're still animals with instincts that have been shaped by centuries of evolution. Their behavior towards us is not based on actual beliefs or understanding of the world around them, but rather on their need to survive and thrive in their environment. Dogs may be loyal and trainable, but they just don't have the same kind of independence as cats. Cats can open doors by themselves, but dogs need a little bit of help. They don't have the dexterity or problem-solving skills to figure out how to open a door on their own. It's not their fault, it's just the way they're wired. Even the smartest dog breeds need some assistance when it comes to opening doors. They can't be trusted to do it by themselves. They need a human to show them how. Once they know how, they can be trained to do it reliably. But they can't figure it out on their own. On the other hand, cats are much more independent. They don't need anyone to show them how to open a door. They just do it. They have the dexterity and the problem-solving skills necessary to figure it out on their own. Maybe it's something they learned from their ancestors in the wild, or maybe they just have better opposable thumbs than dogs. Whatever the reason, it's safe to say that cats are much more self-sufficient when it comes to opening doors. So if you're a dog owner, don't worry. You don't need to let your dog out of the house by opening the door for him. Just teach him how, and he'll be able to do it reliably. But don't expect him to figure it out on his own. You can tell a dog's age by looking at its teeth. Much like humans, dogs' teeth can reveal their age. Puppies are born without any teeth, but they start coming in when they are still nursing. By the time they are 6 months old, they should have all their baby teeth. Adult dogs typically lose their baby teeth between the ages of 4 and 7 months. Just like humans, Dogs' teeth can become discolored or worn down as they age. As a dog gets older, their gums may also recede, which can expose more of the tooth. In addition, older dogs may develop tartar or plaque on their teeth, which can make them appear yellowed or brown. Overall, the condition of a dog's teeth can be a good indicator of their age. Dogs see colors, but the world is less colorful to them than to humans. We all know that dogs can see colors, but did you know that their vision is different from ours? Dogs don't see the world in black and white, but they do see it differently than we do. Dogs have 2 types of color receptors in their eyes, while humans have 3. This means that dogs can see some colors, but they're not able to distinguish between certain shades and hues. As a result, the world is less colorful to dogs than it is to humans. Even so, dogs are able to see enough colors to enjoy a walk in the park or a game of fetch. They can distinguish between blue, yellow, gray, and white, and they can see shades of green and red. While dogs may not be able to appreciate the full range of colors that humans can, they still see the world in a beautiful, vibrant way. Just like our fingerprints, each dog has a unique nose print. The pattern of wrinkles and grooves in a dog's nose is as unique as their paw print. This is because a dog's nose is made up of a complex network of ridges and valleys that are formed during embryonic development. These nose prints can be used to identify individual dogs, just like our fingerprints can be used to identify us. In fact, some law enforcement agencies even keep databases of dog nose prints in order to identify unknown canines. So the next time you're admiring your dog's wet, cold nose, take a close look at the unique pattern of wrinkles and grooves. It's truly one of a kind. We hope you enjoyed learning some amazing facts about dogs. If you did, please let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear which facts surprised you the most. Did you know any of these already, or were you as shocked as we were to learn that dogs can detect emotions by smelling our sweat? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible content. Thanks for watching.